Are prenuptial agreements enforceable in court?
The way that it would work just with a mere prenuptial agreement is it is a binding contract between the parties. So in theory, somebody could sue the other in a breach of contract action. I can honestly say that is very rarely done, however, simply because if people are looking to quote unquote enforce a prenuptial agreement, that usually means the marriage is breaking down on some level, and usually the attorneys will instead convince the potential client to simply either file a divorce case, which is done in most instances, or a legal separation case. So a legal separation case can then incorporate the prenuptial agreement, same thing with a divorce case, and then the agreement itself can be enforced within the divorce case or the legal separation case. Once it becomes a court order, then you would have essentially a post-judgment application, or you can negotiate as well during that separation agreement case or the divorce case. You can negotiate if the parties are not looking to vacate provisions, which is very rarely done. But if they're not looking to vacate any provisions of that prenup, you can negotiate a resolution of any amounts that are due, or if there are assets due or property due or alimony due pursuant to that prenuptial agreement. You can negotiate that and then put that into a subsequent agreement that would also in turn be incorporated into the judgment of separation or judgment of divorce.